Students, welcome back. Myself Kokreja Rahul. In the previous session we have already seen the exercise 10.5 question number 1 and 2. Okay, we have seen question number 1 and 2 of the exercise 10.5. Now we are moving for the question number 3. Okay, so in this chapter we already learnt about the almost theorems. Okay, so all that theorems are combined and all other theorems are used in this exercise 10.5, and I'll give you some extra questions that is related to this chapter also. Okay, that help you to improve your circle based questions. Okay, so let's start. So now we are moving on the question number 3. We are learning about the standard 9 and name of the chapter that is circles. Okay, and the exercise 10.5 question number 3. Okay, so let's start. So question number 3, figure is given. So first of all we have to draw the figure. Okay, this kind of the figure is given, that is POR, sorry, not a POR, PQR. Here is PQ and here is R. PQR is given as 100 degree. Now here is the circle of center O. So in the given, first thing that is angle PQR is equal to 100 degree is given. Okay, so now second thing that is we need to find that is OPR, angle OPR. You need to find this kind of the angle OPR. Clear that, students? Okay, so now let's start to solve. First of all, we know that the at any part of the circle of angle that are the double than the at the center of the circle. Okay, so here my 100 degree, so I'll write that angle PQR is equal to 100 degree. Therefore by theorem, that is we should to write that is angle POR is 2 times the angle of the PQR. Clear that? This angle that is the 2 times that is PQR. So therefore, angle POR is equal to 2 times the 100, that is 200 degree. Okay, so POR, that is the 200 degree. This whole angle that is equal to the 200 degree. Okay, by the theorem. Now we have to know that is the whole at the point of the at any kind of the point there is a 360 degree is formed. So now we have to write that reflex of POR, that is 360 minus 200, that is 160 degree. Okay, so here my at the angle of the circle 160 degree. Okay, here my angle at the center of the circle, that is 160 degree. But now in triangle POR, PO and OR, that are the equal because of they are the radius. OP is equal to OR because of the radius. So we know that equal sides are made in equal angles opposite to it. So my angle, this one angle and this second angle are formed equal. So therefore I'll write that angle 1 is equal to the angle 2. Clear that? Now we are taking angle sum property for this triangle. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle POR is equal to 180 degree. That are the angle sum property. Okay, in triangle OPR. Now 1 and 2 both of them are equal, so I'll write that angle 1 plus angle 1 plus 160 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2 times angle 1 equal to 180 minus 160. Therefore 2 times angle 1 is equal to 20 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 20 by 2, that are the 10 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 10 degree. Now my angle 1 that are denoted as a angle OPR. So therefore I'll write that, therefore angle OPR is equal to 10 degree. This is your final answer. Clear that? So now please note down this first. Clear students? Now we are moving for the next question, that is question number 2. Sorry, not a question number 2 but question number 2 for this session. Okay, as per the exercise we are moving for the question number 4. So students, here also one of the figure is given. Okay, in the figure ABC is equal to 69 degree and ACB is equal to 31 degree. Find BDC. Okay, so first of all we have to draw the figure. BC is one of the chord of the circle, and BAC and BDC. BAC and BDC. Okay, here that said that ABC is 69 degree. ABC, this whole angle is equal to the 69 degree, and ACB is equal to 31 degree. ACB, that means here part of the angle that is 31 degree. We need to find the angle BDC. We need to find angle BDC. Okay, so let's start with the given question. Okay, so given that is angle ABC is equal to 69 degree and angle ACB is equal to 31 degree, and triangle ABC and triangle BDC are on same base or chord, are on same chord. Okay, to find, that is the things we have to find, that angle BDC. Clear that? So let's start with the solution. So in this solution, first of all we have to find the angle BAC. Okay, first of all we have to find the angle BAC using the angle sum property. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property, angle A plus angle B, that is 69 degree is given, plus angle C is 31 degree is given, is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle A plus 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 9 plus 1 10, 100 degree is equal to 180. So therefore angle A equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore angle A is equal to 80 degree. Okay, this angle is equal to the 80 degree. Now we know that if angles form on same chord, then they are equal by theorem. Okay, so therefore by theorem, that is the theorem, we know that. So therefore by theorem, that is angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to the angle BDC, because of the both of the angles are forming on the same chord. Okay, so therefore BDC is also equal to the 80 degree. Clear that? So please note down this. Clear? So now we are moving for the question number 5. So question number 5, that is also figure is given. So first of all we have to draw the figure. BAC and BDC. And here point is E. Here point E is equal to the 130 degree. Okay. And 20 degree at here is given. Clear that? In the figure, ABCD are 4 points on the circle. AC and BD intersect at a point E such that BEC equal to 130 degree, okay, and ECD equal to 20 degree. Find angle BAC. We need to find angle BAC. So as per the given, that is angle BEC is equal to 130 degree. Here the BC is not a diameter, okay, so your center of the circle is at here and BC is one of the chord, okay, so please don't forget that. Angle ECD is equal to 20 degree given, okay. To find angle BAC, okay, so let's start with the solution. In the BD is a straight line. BD is a straight line, therefore angle BEC plus angle CED, this angle CED is equal to 180 degree, forming linear pair. Okay, so therefore BEC is 130 degree plus angle CED is equal to 180. So therefore angle CED is equal to 180 minus 130, that are the 50 degree. Okay, so here your angle is 50 degree. Now in the triangle CED, in triangle CED we are taking as a angle sum property, that is angle E plus angle E plus angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. So therefore 50 plus angle D, we don't know about that, and angle C is 20 degree as given. So therefore angle D plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle D equal to 180 minus 70. So therefore angle D equal to 110 degree. Clear that? So angle D is equal to the 110 degree. So here my this angle is 110 degree. Clear that? Okay. Now BC is a angle BDC and angle BAC are on the same base or same chord. Angle BAC and angle BDC are on same base or chord. Okay, so therefore by theorem we should to say that if two angles are lie on the same chord, okay, two angles forming with the same chord, then both of the angles of the circle are equal. Okay, so therefore angle BAC is equal to the angle BDC. So therefore BAC is also equal to the 110 degree. Clear that? So please note down this first. So let's start to move for the next question. Done? Okay, so now question number 6. Question number 6, we are moving on the question number 6, that is also the same kind of the question. Okay, but in this time figure is not given. Okay, in this time figure is not given. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at a point E. First of all, I will draw the cyclic quadrilateral. So circle, and here my cyclic quadrilateral. Diagonal intersect at a point E. Now diagonals that are the DB and AC are intersect at a point E. If DBC equal to 70 degree, DBC is equal to the 70 degree, and BAC equal to 30 degree, BAC is equal to the 30 degree. We need to find BCD. We need to find BCD, the whole angle. Okay, we need to find BCD whole angle, and further AB equal to BC. That's a further thing. So first of all we have to find the BCD. Okay, so as per the given, that is angle DBC is equal to 70 degree and angle BAC equal to 30 degree. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and further things is also given, so I'll write that further things as if AB is equal to BC. Okay, AB is equal to BC are given as a further thing, and we have to solve that further thing after the first finding BCD. To find first BCD and find ECD. Okay, ECD are the further thing, so we have to first of all find BCD. Okay, so let's start with the solution. So in the solution, angle in cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD, angle BAC and angle BDC are on same chord, that is BC. Okay, so therefore by theorem we should to say that is angle BAC is equal to the angle BDC. BAC is equal to the BDC. So therefore BAC is 30 degree, then angle BDC is also equal to the 30 degree. Clear that? So I need to find the angle BCD. Okay, so for the angle BCD we are taking as the angle sum property of the triangle BCD using angle sum property in triangle BCD. Therefore angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle B is 70 degree. Angle C I need to find, and angle D, that are 30 degree, is given. So therefore angle C plus 70 plus 30, 100 equal to 180. So angle C equal to 180 minus 100, that are 80 degree. Here my whole angle is equal to the 80 degree. Okay, now if AB is equal to BC, now we have to move for the further thing. If AB is equal to BC, now we have to see that AB, where is the AB? AB is equal to the BC. Okay, AB is equal to the BC. So in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Therefore angle, if sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So we have to know about that. That is BAC and BCA. BAC is equal to the BCA. Both of them are 30 degree. So therefore angle BCA equal to 30 degree. Okay, in the isosceles triangle, angles are forming if opposite sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal in triangle BCA. Here 30, then here is also 30 degree. Now I will find to ECD. ECD, that means this kind of the angle. We know that angle BCD is equal to 80 degree whole angle. Therefore BCD are divided into two parts, that is BCA plus ACD equal to 80 degree. Then BCA is 30 degree is given. So therefore ACD is equal to the 50 degree. So therefore angle ACD is equal to the 50 degree. Clear that? So here my angle, that is at here, that is 50 degree. Because of the whole 80 degree is given, so this part is 30 degree, then this part is equal to the 50 degree. Okay, clear that? So please note down this first and fast also. So students, I hope all of you are enjoying this class very much. Here our time is over and moving so fast also. So in today's session we are also seen question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, in the today's session we are seeing 4 kind of the question of the exercise 10.5. okay, so this all kind of the questions are very important, okay, and very easy one of them for the all kind of the chapters and all kind of the exercise. Okay, so I hope all of you are enjoying this class, and if you have any difficulty or if you have any doubt, then you can notify me. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.